Hello everybody, another day of phonics. It's lovely to see how many of you are tuning in and watching some of our videos. It's really going to help you with your reading and your writing. Okay, a new sound today. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, let's smash this phonics session today. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Well done. Amazing. Super. Oh, look at this fabulous sounding. A, I, I. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A. Ah. Oh. A. Look at this. All these sounds that you have remembered so far. You deserve a high five for that. Give me a high five. Fantastic. My turn. Your turn. New. Stew. Grew. New. Stew. Grew. New. Stew. Grew. New. Stew. Grew. Oh, I'm marching like a soldier. One more time. New. Grew. Stew. Oh, what sound do you think it is? Do you? Are there any more of them sounds left? Oh, I think you've sussed out what I'm doing in our phonics sessions this week. I think you already know. Have you brought your phoneme fingers? Oh, I'm so glad you have. Get them ready. Here we go. Your word is blue. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Well done. Your word is through. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Well done. Your word is cashew. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Oh, that's a tricky one. Let's do it together. Cashew. K-a-sh-oo. Cashew. Your next one is chew. First one sound. Second sound. Oh, only 2 sounds. What about chewing? Can you do chewing on your own? Chewing. I'll give you a clue. You only need 1 hand for this. Chewing. Let's do it together. Chewing. Did you get 4 sounds? Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, I'm going to be a robot. You're going to be... Let's go. Crew. Crew. Well done. Grew. Grew. Amazing. Chew. Oh, I'm going to trick you now. Ready? You knew it was chewing. I'm going to make it even trickier. Wow. Chewing gum. Can you pretend to chew your chewing gum? That's delicious. Fantastic. One more. Ready? Tricky word, that one. I don't know how you got that right on your own. Mildrew, well done. Okay, show me your robot arms. I can see them there. Ready? Your word is new. Well done. Your word is stew. Well done. Your word is Andrew. Well done, that's a tricky one. Andrew. Well done. Your word is stew. Trying to trick you today, see? Cashew. Cashew. All of this roboting. Do you think you got it right, what the sound was? You think it was an ooh sound? I'm a little bit confused. Is it this ooh sound? No? Is it this ooh sound? These are ones we've practiced already. Oh, are there 2 other letters that make an ooh sound? There are. You're right, it's an E and a W. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. Ooh. What's this sound? What's this sound? What's this sound? Oh, lots of ooh sounds everywhere. My turn, your turn. Ooh, ooh. Now let's go. Follow my ooh sound. Ooh, 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 ooh. E-W. E-W. Ooh, fabulous. Are you ready to read some words that have this ooh sound in them? Not the O-O ooh sound, not the U-E ooh sound, but the E-W ooh sound. Are you sure you're up for the challenge? Show me your muscles. Oh, I can see you're ready. When we read, what do? I can see you've been tuning in every day. Well done. We look at the letters, we make the sounds, and we blend those sounds together. Let's go. Grew, fantastic. Beautiful. Blue, blue. This is not the colour blue. This is when you talk about the wind. Oh, it blew my hat off. Next word. Fantastic. Well done to everyone that said d, d, d. True, well done. 2 more words. So I see everyone's tongue for this sound. Show me again. I can see it now. Through, brilliant. Last word. Andrew, well done. What do I know is special about this word? It's a name. How do I know it's a name? Yes, it does. It starts with a capital letter. Really, really impressive you're learning, everybody. Well done. Okay, now it's time for our... Yes, it is. It's time for our writing. Whiteboard, pen, paper, pencils. Get them ready just like I have. I'm ready and raring to go today. Okay, when we write, what do? Well done. We always say it. Make sure it's in our brains. We remember the word, then we sound it out using our fingers, and then we write it. Okay, your word is new. I have a new pair of shoes. New. New. Write it. You should do this one quite quickly. New. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New. Brilliant writing, guys. Your next word is stew. Right, finger it. Stew. I like to eat stew when the weather is cold, and it's quite cold out there today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stew. Most times got to have sounds mixed up. Stew. Well done. Your last word is chew. Can you write the word chew by yourself? Finger it. Write it. 2 digraphs in this word. 2 digraphs. Chew. I know you can do that one super quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chew. Brilliant. Can we try and write a sentence? Are you ready? My turn, your turn. I can chew the stew, your turn. I can chew the stew. Amazing, my turn. I can chew the stew, your turn. On your head. I can chew the stew, your turn. Fantastic, on your fingers. I can chew the stew. 5 words. I want to see a capital letter. I want to see finger spaces. I want to see a full stop. Show me. I can chew the stew. If you need to pause the video to do this, that is absolutely fine, because I know a sentence can take a little bit longer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Something is missing in my sentence. Who thinks they can work out what it is? I can chew the stew. Check your words. What have I forgotten? Capital letter? No. Finger spaces? No. Oh. I've forgotten my full stop. Always check your sentences. Well done, everybody. I'm really proud of our learning today. I'll see you all again very soon.